QuickBooks Purchase Order tutorial. First, enable the Purchase Order feature. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, select Account and Settings, navigate to the Expenses tab. In the Purchase Order section, click the Edit icon, toggle on Use Purchase Orders, click Save and Done. Step 2. Create and send a purchase order. Click the plus new icon, select Purchase Order. From the Vendor drop-down, choose the appropriate vendor. Review or enter the mailing address. If shipping directly to a customer, select the customer from the Ship To drop-down and verify the shipping address. Enter the purchase order date. In the Item Details section, add the products or services you wish to order. Click Save and send to email the purchase order to the vendor, or Save and Close to save it for later. Step 3. Convert a purchase order into a bill or expense. Click the plus new icon, select bill or expense depending on how you're recording the transaction. Choose the vendor associated with the purchase order. QuickBooks will display any open purchase orders for that vendor. Select the appropriate one. The items from the purchase order will populate the bill or expense form. Review and make any necessary adjustments. Click Save and Close to record the transaction. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.